I am telling you number is. The answer I know. It is 24 divided by 145. So 24 ones are 24 twos are 24 threes are 24 24 fives is 144.
No, it's wrong.
So 24 fours are 144.
It's not 5.
24 fours, 4 fours are 24.
No, it's neither 4 nor 5.
24 threes are
No. Do it
6 are
correctly.
6. 24 into 6.
Yes. So, what is the answer?
One remainder 6 question.
6 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, that I know. So, how many days and how many hours?
6 days, 100 hours.
No, it's not 100 hours.
100.
It's not
Because
100
zero
hours.
comes.
No,
Because
there is
zero
no
comes.
0. 5 minus 4 is not 0.
5 minus 4 is 1. Then 4 is 0. So 4 will come after because
It
1
will come before, not after. Before 1.
because
So, what is the answer coming? Tell me first.
4
6 days, how
because
many
5
hours?
6 days, 100 hours.
No, it's
See, I
not
written
100
here.
hours. It's wrong.
1 hour. I'm telling you 1 hour. You are listening 100 ma'am. How much I tell you? It's 1 hours.
Yes, it's 1 hour. Very good. Now do the next one. This video is going to your mom today. Do the next one. So be very careful. Number F.
I am doing the class with my mom phone. So anything will happen, my mom would not scold me because my mom is very good, very great, very loving and caring.
Do it number F and G.
2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. 12,33,000. 1,23,332. 1,23,332.
No, tell me in
1
hours and minutes and seconds better.
123 hours, 3 minutes,
No,
32
it's wrong.
seconds.
It's wrong.
1 hour, 2 minutes, 32
No,
seconds.
it's wrong. It's wrong.
Okay. 12 hours. 12 hours. 33 minutes, 39 seconds.
Hours and minutes are correct. Seconds is wrong.
12 hours, 33 minutes, 31 seconds.
No, it's
5
wrong.
plus 4.
It's wrong.
32 seconds. I got it. I'm telling
Very
you
good.
so much. 32
Tell me
seconds.
number F.
Zero point-
F. First F.
Where is F? Where is F?
This one.
I can't see anything. 1 second. I told you. That one.
No, you didn't tell me. This one I'm asking. You told me this one. Subtraction. Do the addition.
Okay, right. Oh, there are many much options. I'm doing it. So 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 5 is the 13. Ah, what is it? It is drawing 13, 1, 13, 1. No, 5 plus 6. Yeah, 13, 13. Then Doing it. I did that. 6. The 5 plus 3 is how much? 5.
Don't do over these numbers, but I told you repeatedly not to do over the numbers.
6. Oh. 136. Okay, I will not do the album. Seconds. Photos. Six. Then 3 plus 2, 5, 10. 0. After 0, 7. Plus 8, 50. 50 plus 6, 21. When 21 hours, 06 minutes and 115 seconds.
No, it's wrong.
13 seconds.
It's wrong, better do it again.
What? 21 hours, 06 minutes and 13 seconds. You are wrong and telling me wrong. Wow. Okay,
What is
1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, 22 hours, 22 hours. Sorry, 22 hours, 06 minutes, 13 seconds.
no? It's again wrong.
It's correct, baby. You are wrong.
No,
Hours,
it's wrong, better. It's wrong.
wrong. Wrong and telling me wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ma'am, I am very much correct. You are very much wrong. Wow. 8 plus 5 if we do 13, 3 cups. Correct. So then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 13 is 1 carry over, so 1 cups. See, ma'am, you are wrong. Telling me wrong. Why?
It's wrong, better. Do the conversion to hours and minutes wherever you can. There you are making it wrong.
22
So this sum
hours,
again you did
06
wrong in the
minutes.
class. How many
22
sums you
hours,
did wrong, better?
06.
So many
22
sums.
hours, 6 minutes, 13 seconds. 22 hours, 6
Answer in chat.
minutes.
Write me the answer in chat.
Return.
Okay. Do the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Told you you are wrong, and you are telling me. Why? It is you are wrong. Telling me wrong. I am correct. You are wrong.
I did not told you you are wrong or right, better. That I will tell you afterwards. Okay, once this class ends, join the next class immediately. 22, 6 minutes, 30.
Mm.
Six.